So it's right after Memorial Day, and as you can see, all of the American flags lining the grounds of the U.S.'s tallest state capitol building. What's up, YouTube, and welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. I'm Eric B, and today we're going to go check out the tallest state capitol building in the USA. That's the state capitol building here in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and we're going to check out an outstanding green area right outside of the capitol. Let's go. Yo, I admit, I may not pick the best day to come out and enjoy this beautiful park out here and enjoy the capitol building because it is piping hot. It is Louisiana hot and humid. But guess what? This is what I love about travel. I said it last week, no matter where you live, you can find so much beauty where. This beautiful green area is called Louisiana Veterans Memorial Park, and it is right outside of the state capitol building. I've driven by here a lot, but this is my first time checking it out. It is beautiful. Now, a little over a year ago, I toured this beautiful building, Louisiana's old state capitol, and did a video, which I'm going to leave a card right here so you can go back and check it out. The new state capitol wasn't open to the public during the pandemic, but now it's open, so it's my opportunity to go check out the new state capitol on the inside. But this is the old state capitol again. Check out the video. This park right here, as you can tell, hasn't been open for a long period of time. It's out here. It's a lot of beautiful green space out here, and there's a statue right there to Huey P. Long, who was known as the Kingfish, the 40th governor of Louisiana between 1928 and 1932, and he was assassinated in the halls of the new state capitol building. Some of the bullet holes are still there from the assassination, and he was one of the most popular governors, very controversial governor. A lot of people loved him, a lot of people hated him. Again, if you go check out that video on the old state capitol, which is now a political museum, you check that video out, there's a lot in there about Huey P. Long, and you will see a lot from the political standpoint because, like I said, it is a political museum at this point. This is my first time checking out this green space, but this is a really nice area just to come out, relax, bring the kids, walk your dog, and just kind of hang out. It's a really good area to have a picnic in. A really good time. You get some great views here, and it's a nice opportunity just to go somewhere in a little park and just take a break from it all and just unwind and relax. I'm really digging it. Now, I prefer to do this on a not so hot day. So in just a few moments, I'm going to go in and I'm going to go all the way up to the 27th floor and catch the views of the city from the top, Mississippi River and everything. And we're going to go up close to the building and check out the building, but just really enjoying this green space right here. And I highly recommend you come here and enjoy this green space as well. cool things also are the steps. The steps depict all 50 states of the U.S. and the year they were admitted into the Union. Now, there's one set of steps with just the 13 original states, the colonies, and then the rest of them are all separated into different areas. Of course, there's 50 steps. I mean, if you want to be a rebel, you can go jog up all 50 steps. I'm not in shape to do it. That's not going to happen for me, but pretty cool thing right here. All 50 states represented. First thing you notice when you walk on the inside right there looking at you is the many state flags, including the U.S. flag. And then you look down on the floor, you see the Louisiana seal. Now, the cool thing about this building is made 26 different types of marble and stone in this building. So it's really unique. Now, in this building houses the Louisiana State Chamber of Louisiana legislator, which is made up of the state's House of Representatives and the Senate, as well as the office of governor, which is held by John Bell Edwards. And there's as many different types of things. That's a little bit of a shout out to the past right there. And I didn't really go into the legislative or anything room because they were still in session, and I did not want to go in and cause a problem or people look at me like, who is this guy? So I decided not to go. You also see a little copy of the state amendments right there. Take the elevator up to the 24th floor, and then you go across, and it'll take you to the 27th, which is going to be a smaller elevator. Going up to 27 now. So this is more so the view of downtown right here. You can get a nice view from up high. As this Capitol I mentioned is the tallest in America. It is 449 feet tall, 460 feet from the very top. And that's the green space right there that I've been in. You can see it from up high. I'm parked somewhere in that area. And that's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification so you can know when I have more material coming out in the future. Help us to continue to grow as a travel community. And as always, remember, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace. And travel. Lots and lots of travel. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Leave any comments below. I love to interact and help us to continue to grow as a travel community.